He has chosen to acknowledge the label of autism not as a disability, but as an extraordinary ability. Please help me welcome Tyler McNamer.
Hi, my name is Tyler McNamer. I'm the international best-selling author of Population 1, Autism, Adversity, and the Will to Succeed. Oh, and I also have autism. As a result of selling tens of thousands of copies of my book, I've been invited to address audiences in many different types of venues across the world.
Your teachers have given me the opportunity to speak in front of over 600 people about what it's like to have awesomeism. That's a brand new word, so you all got to get to say it now. Say it with me, awesomeism.
I really enjoy speaking to audiences, large and small, because it helps people understand autism and how to overcome adversity. Whether you have autism or not, we all have to deal with personal challenges. The goal of my talks are to share my story about how I overcame overwhelming odds, negative influences, and significant challenges, all in order to achieve success as a best-selling author, speaker, and thought leader in the autism space.
One time I accidentally talked too out loud that a whole bunch of restaurant folks were just looking at me, and I was saying, just practicing for a script. Whew, I can't believe that actually worked.
I am determined to encourage and inspire others to do the same and overcome each of their personal challenges. I want to help others create extraordinary wins in their lives. I speak in terms of transforming disability through identifying each person's unique ability.
I'm so excited that each one of you have the ability to find your own extraordinary ability.
I speak on numerous topics such as bullying, autism awareness, overcoming adversity, meeting challenges, dealing with bias and discrimination, loneliness, depression, social anxiety, and a wide variety of associated topics. I have the ability to modify my material to fit the unique goals you have set for your conference meeting. I'm comfortable speaking from the platform, teaching breakout sessions, presenting workshops, and one-on-one coaching. My message is one of hope, inspiration, and transformation. I'm in a unique position to help others because I was nonverbal until age 6, and I didn't start speaking full sentences until I was 12. But then I wrote a best-selling book at age 17, started speaking to groups across the country and now the world.
Never diss your ability, because it's not a disability, because everyone has disabilities. It's not a disability, it's a unique and extraordinary ability.
I formed a company called Autismworks that helps tens of thousands of people make autism more workable in their lives. Feel free to visit autismworks.com to discover all the ways I help to improve the lives of others. If you're looking to inspire your audience, then I'm the person you should hire. I will work with you to deliver exactly what you're hoping your audience will take away from your event. So please email me so we can begin working together and helping others. I look forward to hearing from you.